Are you preparing for a warehouse operator job? Want to stand out by answering technical questions with confidence? In this video, we'll cover the top 5 most asked technical interview questions with clear, real-world examples so you can walk into your interview ready to impress. Let's start. 1. What are the different order picking methods used in warehouses, and which one is most efficient? Answer. There are several picking methods used in warehouses, including discrete picking, batch picking, zone picking, and wave picking. Discrete picking involves picking one order at a time. It's simple and accurate, but slower. Batch picking groups multiple orders together and picks all items in one run, which saves time when orders have similar SKUs. Zone picking assigns workers to specific zones, and each picks items from their area, later consolidated. Wave picking combines orders based on factors like shipping time and is controlled by software systems to increase efficiency. The most efficient method depends on the volume, product type, and order profile. For high-volume e-commerce, batch or wave picking is generally more efficient. Example. At my previous job in apparel fulfillment center, we switched from discrete to batch picking during the sales season. Since many customers ordered similar t-shirts or jeans, we picked in batches of 20 to 25 orders using pick carts. This cut our walking time by 40% and allowed us to meet tight dispatch deadlines. 2. Explain the first in, first out, FIFO, and last in, first out, LIFO methods. When would each be used in a warehouse? Answer. FIFO stands for first in, first out, where the oldest inventory is picked first. It's ideal for perishable or time-sensitive products. LIFO stands for last in, first out, where the newest inventory is used first, mainly used where product aging isn't an issue or for tax/accounting purposes. Example. In my previous role at a food distribution warehouse, we strictly followed FIFO. For example, dairy products were stored with clear expiry labels, and pickers were instructed by the WMS to always pick the oldest stock first to minimize spoilage. 3. What are the key steps involved in the receiving process, and how do you ensure accuracy? Answer. The key steps include checking the delivery against the purchase order, inspecting the goods for damage, counting and verifying quantities, scanning items into the WMS, and generating receiving reports. Accuracy is ensured through barcode scanning, double verification, and following standard receiving protocols. Example. At my last job, when a shipment arrived, I cross-checked the bill of lading with our purchase order in the system. I used an RF scanner to scan each unit and flag discrepancies immediately. One time, I caught a mismatch of 50 units, which saved a major inventory error. 4. Can you explain the difference between cycle counting and physical inventory? Answer. Physical inventory involves counting all stock in the warehouse, usually once or twice a year, often requiring operations to pause. Cycle counting, on the other hand, is a continuous process where a small subset of inventory is counted regularly daily or weekly based on ABC analysis or SKU criticality. Example. At our electronics warehouse, we use cycle counting. Daily high-value items, category A, were counted weekly, while low-value items, category C, were counted quarterly. This allowed us to maintain 99% inventory accuracy without shutting down operations. 5. What safety procedures must be followed when storing hazardous or flammable materials in a warehouse? Answer. Hazardous materials must be stored according to OSHA and MSDS guidelines. This includes using proper containment, ventilation, fire suppression systems, and signage. Incompatible materials must be segregated, and all containers must be labeled clearly. Employees must wear PPE and be trained in handling spills and emergencies. Example. In a chemical warehouse I worked in, we stored flammable liquids in flammable storage cabinets with proper ventilation. Spill kits were placed nearby, and we conducted monthly safety drills. I also completed a certified HazMat training program to safely handle such items. That's it. Join the 10 Minutes for Supply Chain membership. Inside you'll unlock members-only deep dive videos on procurement, logistics, and strategy. Weekly global updates that keep you smarter than your competition. Exclusive case studies and templates used by real industry pros. Live Q&A sessions where I answer your questions in real time. Plus early access to videos and bonus discounts on our resources. Click the join button now and become part of the smartest supply chain community on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay informed. Stay ahead. Stay supply smart.